import makes it easy to get any recipe onto BigOven, and from there onto any of our mobile or tablet apps. Simply paste the recipe you'd like to add on the left, then use the buttons in the middle to tell BigOven how to treat the text. Here's a recipe I'd like to import. Copy the recipe text. Now, highlight the title and click Recipe Title. Highlight the summary and click Brief Summary. Continue for the other fields. For the ingredients section, it's very important that there be one line per ingredient. I'm going to set the category for this recipe. These are the instructions. This cake yields 8 servings. That's it. I'm done. Voila. The recipe is posted, and now it's also available on the web, on the mobile apps, and on our tablet applications. We encourage you to drag and drop the link on the page up to your browser toolbar. That way, you can be on any recipe page and simply click the toolbar button to capture it. In this case, I've already added the recipe. Happy cooking from all of us at BigOven.